Top news. On March 23rd, the Office of the National Assembly held press conference to inform the 11th section of the 14th National Assembly, Secretary General of the National Assembly, Chairman of the National Assembly Office, Nguyễn, Hạnh, Phúc, chaired the conference. Another news in detail. At the press conference, leaders of the National Assembly committees answered a number of questions interviewed by reporters regarding budgetary tasks, ratifying to consolidate key leadership titles of the state apparatus. The Secretary General of the National Assembly said that the National Assembly will consolidate 25 titles, including Chairperson of the National Assembly, State President, Prime Minister, and so on, and approving the appointment of government members. Many steps are met closely and in right order, so each will take up nearly half of the working time of the conference. Some law projects such as the land law, the law on protests, and so on. Also, at the press conference, leaders of the National Assembly Office informed a number of notes in the operational process of press agencies at the last section of the 14th channel. Accordingly, the 14th National Assembly will convene its last session from March 24, during which each will decide on top leadership position.